My question is, whenever I have this type of question like MPR dot PRU and a proportional ADE and ratio, then what is our process? Then if I follow, then definitely we can solve easily. Can you show the process?
Yes, sir, I can solve this.
Yes.
To solve this type of sums, we have to put the numbers on the letters.
Okay.
And this. Now we have to see the gap between this. Here gap is 3 and here gap is 2. From here the gap is 2 and then 3. Means we have to replace this gap later and this gap first.
Okay.
So this one will be 1. So gap is 3 and gap is 1. So we will put gap 1 first. I will put gap 3. Means H.
Okay. That means you can compare. So M is 13 and P is 16. That means gap is 3.
Yes.
13 plus 3, 16.
Yes.
In that way, whenever you have A means 1.
Yes.
So also you can add 3.
Yes.
So 1, 3, 4, 4 means D. Yes.
We
Second,
put this one gap, then we will put 3 gap.
okay. And second option, that is P is 16
Yes.
and R is 18, means 2 gap. So another you have D, that is 4.
Yes.
So 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. And third one is like R is 18 and U is 21. Like again gap is 3. So E is your 5. So 5, 3, 8. That is you can use H. So whenever you have this type of question, and you can follow numbers. And after you can find out like what is the gap inside it, then definitely you can follow. Then we can solve easily. Okay. Thank you. Very good.